You really aren't battling good. They don't shoot far. The yellow one don't shoot far. You're out of bullets. I'm grabbing my gun. You want me to use my... You want me to go grab my gun? I can easily win you all.
Take a bullet. Take a bullet. Take a bullet. Take a bullet.
You have to shoot it with the gun. Don't. It'll hit your phone. It will hit your phone if I have to. I'll drop your phone if I get shot. It will happen because I get scared. When this kind of bullets just shoot me really close. I don't like them shooting really close. I'm okay with the farther ones. It's not really close.
Anna, give me my bullet.
Mia,
Take your bullet.
you can hold it.
No.
Hannah, you can hold it.
No, I'm still
You
battling.
have one hand.
I'm still battling her.
But I got my hoodie on, and I like love your case, Mia.
You better be ready. It's now Call of Duty, Hannah. Damn it!
We meet for the last time.
Hannah.
Anna, don't stop the video.
I'm not. I'm focusing.
5 seconds to go hide. Okay?
5 seconds to go hide. Whoa!
Get that thing going.
No! Austin, go give me more bullets.
Shorts that are crappy for playing brain.
Anna, we're gonna set this right here.
Hannah's whole thing was filled stuff. Hannah's bullets are not filled all the way. All over container.
Go
That
get-
means those
Go
are.
get Hannah. Go get Hannah a bigger gun because no one can take her seriously with that.
Hannah, just so you know, Hannah, you haven't got all your bullets back.
You did not. Oh wait, yeah, you did.
One bullet is missing.
Boom, boom.